So in the last class, we were doing the worksheet. Only the last question is left, and the last question is all about the processing. Why is the processing an important function of a computer? Why is processing an important function of a computer? So question number 3 is asking this. So as we all know, the working of computer is known as a processing. If computer will not do processing, then what will computer do? So let me show you the answer. It's a short question. The answer is saying that because without processing, computer cannot work, think or execute on different programs. So without processing, computer cannot work. So that's why processing is necessary. That's why the processing is necessary or important to the computer. This is the answer for the question number 3 of the worksheet. Everybody write this answer in the worksheet. Everybody is writing the answer in the worksheet. Say yes or no.
Yes. No,
Everybody,
still I don't
yes,
right.
good. Everybody write the answer
Sir,
in the
still
worksheet.
I
It's a
don't.
it's a question number 3. It's a question number 3. Everybody write the answer in the question number 3. This is the last question of the worksheet. Why the processing is necessary? As we all know, the working of the computer is called as the processing. When the computer works, we say computer is processing. But if computer will not work, then how the processing will done? So in this we are saying because without processing, without working, computer cannot work on different programs. The programs means software. So work means think or execute. Computer cannot think or cannot execute to different softwares like games, videos, picture or anything. So anything is come under the program. So this is the answer of the question number 3. So everybody is writing. I am waiting for you guys so that you will finish and then we will move to the next thing. Everybody write this answer. Say yes or no. Everybody is done with writing the answer.
No.
Okay, you can write. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
finished. That's
Okay.
it.
I am waiting for you guys so that you will finish. Then we will move. Okay, that's good, Rakan. If anybody who finishes it, you can also send the message that you finished it. Very good. Rakan finished it. If anyone who finished the answer, writing the answer, you guys can just send the message in the chat. Good, Yamin Salah. Very good. Yamin is also done. Ziad Tamir is also finished it. Very good, Ziad. Okay. Sakshar finished it. Okay, that's good. Yazid also finished it. Very well done. So after 2 minutes, we will move to the next thing. Everybody should write. It's only just a one line. You. So you just have to send me the question number 2 and question number 3. Just send me the picture of question 2 and 3. Okay. So just send me the picture of question number 2 and 3 on the mail after writing it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can I?
So now let me switch a screen. If anybody wants to take a screenshot, you guys can take a screenshot. Okay. So we are at the page number 21 of book. So on the page number 21, we already done the names of these devices. We already done the name of these devices. But and at the end of this page, at the end of this page, we will have one question. So what that question is, which is at the end of the page, if you see there is a word whiz, there is a word whiz, there is a word whiz which is showing what is the difference between input and output. We all know what is input and we all know what is output. So we just have to explain the input first and then we have to explain the output first. That what is the difference? You have to tell the difference between the input and the output. So what is the difference between input and output? So let me show you the answer so that everyone will get to know that what is the answer. Okay, wait a second. Let me share the screen. So I write it in this form. So the answer is there. Okay, input devices. Okay. So input is what? Input is a data. Okay, that heading is there. Let me change the heading so that whole data will be covered up like this. So now it's look good. Okay. So the answer of the question is there. The answer is saying what is the difference? The question is saying what is the difference between input and output? The answer is saying input data that is entered into the computer using input devices. Input is just a data that is entered into the computer using input devices. Input is just a data that is entered into the computer using input devices. So this is the explanation of this word and very good. Okay, Rakan finished it. Very nice. Okay, so Yamin Salah is also finished it. Very well done. Very well done. You guys are writing very fast, but try to write it without the mistakes. Try to write the answers without the mistakes. Okay, so now we will see the output. We all know very well the input and output both are opposite to each other. Both are opposite to each other. So let me show you the answer for the output also. What is the output? Output is just a processed data. We already discussed it. Output is just a processed data. So what is output? The output is just a processed data that is displayed on the monitor or any other output devices. So output is a processed data. Input is just a data. Output is a processed data that is displayed on the monitor or any other output device. Okay, we can get the result, we can get the output, we can get the processed data on the speaker in the form of sound. We can get the data in the form of printed paper from the printer. We can get the output in the form of game or the video on the monitor. So process data that is displayed on the monitor or any other output devices. So this is the output. So these are the definitions or the explanations of input and output. Everybody write these. Very good, Sakshar. Very good. Awal Mohammed. Umar Al Khubi finished it. Very well done. Zat Tamir finished it. Umar Hani write it. Okay. Very well done. That's great. Okay. Okay. Remember one thing. Everybody should has to write. Try to write it without the mistake. Try to write the answers without the mistake. Very good, Yamin. Okay. So try to write it without the mistake. I am waiting for you. Write it clearly and try to write it without the mistakes. So everybody is writing. Everybody is writing.
Yes.
Okay, good. Write it, write
Yes,
it.
sir. I finish.
Okay, if you finished it, that's
No,
great.
sir, I don't finish.
Okay, okay, I'm waiting, Yusuf.
I
You can
finished.
finish it. Okay, okay.
The
Those who
second one,
finished,
I did not say, I did not finish the second one.
okay, okay, okay. Those who finished, they can wait for the others so that everyone will finish and then we will move. So we are waiting for everyone so that we will move to the next one. Very good, Muhammad Ayman. So everybody write it, and then when everybody write it, then we will move to the next one. We are waiting for everyone so that everyone will finish it. Okay, take your time and try to write it without the mistakes.
We done.
Everybody is done with the
Yes, sir.
question.
Yes, sir. We done. Mama.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Can I read it?
Okay, now we are moved to the next one. Okay, if some,
Can
okay,
I read
okay,
it?
Yusuf, okay, wait a second. Okay, Yusuf, you will read so that if someone is writing, they can write. Okay, Yusuf, where is Yusuf? Yes, Yusuf, you can read it. Read the input first.
Okay, sir. Input data is that is
Enter.
entered into the computer using input devices. Output processed data that is displayed on the monitor or any other output devices.
Good. Okay. Ziad, can you read it, Ziad?
Yes, anything I can do. Number
Okay.
two and number one.
Both, both. You can read both.
Both. Okay. Input data that is entered into the computer using input devices. Output process the data that is displayed other output devices.
Okay. So, good. That's good. Okay. So, now everybody is done. Now everybody is done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. That's great. That's great. Okay. So, let me clear the screen. I am erasing the answers right now. Now we are moved to the next one. What is the next page we have? We are moving to the page number 22. Everybody open the page number 22. Everybody open the page number 22 in their computer book. And we are at the new page with the new questions. Explore with Wiz. Explore with Wiz. Explore with Wiz. You have to write the short answers. You have to write short answers. What are the basic functions of a computer? What are a basic functions of a computer? Okay. So let me unmute. Let me check. I am unmuting everyone. Let's see anybody knows the answer or not. So, what are the basic functions of computer? Everybody can answer. Yes,
There
Yazid.
are three basic functions of the computer, that is output, input, and processing.
Okay, okay. Anybody else? Anybody else?
I can say I can say process input processing output.
Okay, okay, okay.
Out
So,
and
Is the mouse called and both devices that
okay. So
use
Yasin, Uma,
there
Yazid,
here.
Zia Tamir,
We use it
Yamin
in
Salah.
processing
Okay, all
output,
the students gave the answer.
processing
Okay, let me
output.
see. Sakshar. Sakshar is there. Okay, let me ask. Let me ask who is there. Uh, who? Mohammad Al Rashid. Mohammad Al Rashid, you are, yes, Yazid, you are allowed. Yazid, you are allowed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, it's Mohammad
Yes, sir.
Ayman. Yes,
Sir, you me
yes,
Muhammad
yes,
Al
Umar Al
Rashid. You tell
Yes,
me.
yes, Mohammad Al Rashid. Can you tell me the
Yes.
answer?
What number one?
Yes.
That's input, processing, and output.
That's great. That's great. This is the most easiest question. Very good. Okay.
That
So, can anyone tell me the spelling of processing? Can anyone tell me the spelling of processing? So, let's see who is not saying anything from the beginning of the class. Okay. Yeah, Yazan Abara. Yazan Abara, you are not saying anything?
yes, sir.
Tell me the spelling of processing.
Processing. Processing.
Good. That's good. Very good. Okay, then we who we have? Yazan told us about the spelling of processing, and then now we have Mansoor. Mansoor, you are not saying anything. Mansoor, can you tell us the spelling of processing?
Process.
No, no.
Process.
Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Process.
No, it's C. E.
Processing.
Good.
Processing.
Processing. That's good. That's good. Okay. So, two students told about the spelling of processing. So you guys are very much enthusiastic, very much good, and very much doing the great thing. Your speed is very good, and you are also giving the answers to many questions. Very well done. You guys are telling the answers very well. Okay. So, okay, let me ask one more student. Okay, let me see who is there. Okay, Rakan. Rakan, can you tell me what is the spelling of
Yes, sir.
processing?
What, sir?
Processing. Processing.
Processing. Processing.
Okay. Say it again, Rakan. Could you repeat it?
Okay. Processing.
Good. Okay, very good. So this is the processing. Let me write the answer. Let me write the answer uh, on the book. Wait a second, so that it will be displayed on your screen, and you guys can easily see it. Okay. So the basic functions of a computer are input, processing, and output. You all guys said the right answer. Okay. Yes. So, so many students also sent the answer in the chat also. Very good. It's Mohammad Al Rashid and Zaya Tamir and Yamin Salah. These students also sent the answer in the chat. Naif also sent the answer in the chat. These students sent the answer in the chat. Very good. Okay. So, the basic functions of computer are process input, processing, and output. So you guys can write this. Let me write it like this so that it will become in one line. Okay, so everybody write this in the book. I am waiting so that when you finish the question one, then we will move to the question two. Okay, so that in this way everybody done all the questions. If we done all the questions at the same time, then someone left some questions. Okay, everybody write the question number one's answer in the book on the page number 22. Good. Ziad has finished it. Okay. So everybody is writing this answer now. Everybody is writing this answer in the book.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, everybody should write. Very good, Rakan. Very
Can
good,
I read?
Yahya. Okay, so
Computer.
everybody write the answer in the book.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Input.
Okay. So after a minute, after a 1 minute, I will move to the question number two. So everybody is finished? Say yes or no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. This
So
period was.
now we are moving to the next one. The next question is saying, why is the mouse called an input device? We know very well that mouse is an input device. Mouse is an input device. But why is the mouse is called an input device? Okay. So let me show you the answer or write the answer on the book. Wait a second. The mouse is called an input device because it is used to enter data. It is used to enter data in the form of clicks into the computer. Okay, let me write answer. Okay. So why is the mouse called an input device? Because because it is used to enter data in the form of clicks. That's why it is called as the input device. Can mouse give us any paper? No. Can mouse show us any result? No. Can mouse has keys? No. So mouse only accept the data in the form of clicks. We can press just a click from the mouse and that click that data enter into the computer. So that's why mouse is called an input device. Everybody should write this answer in the book. I am waiting so that everyone will finish and then we will move to the next one. But I'm just waiting. Yes, Mohammad Al Rashid, you are right. So everybody write the answer for the question number two in the book on the page number 22. Okay, good. That's good. Yes, Umar Ani also explained the answer. Very good, Umar. Mouse is called an input device because we use it to enter data into the computer in the form of clicks. Yes, you are right. Very good. Okay, so who finished it? Okay, let me see. So, Zia Tamer, Rakan, Yahya Gulzar, Yamin Salah, Awal Muhammad, all these students finished the question. Okay, now here is one more thing. Right now, the time of the period is finished. Yusuf is also finished it. So we will stop it here and we will continue our this lesson, this exercise in the next class. Okay. And the video lecture will be uploaded soon after the classes. It will be uploaded there in the class light. And we will continue our lesson, our class, our exercise of this book from the question number 3. So everybody is done by writing the answer. Everybody is done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we done.
Okay,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes,
Then there is one more thing. There is one more thing. Everybody open the assignment. The assignment is available for you in the class light, and you guys can open the assignment and do the assignment. It will take very less time to do the assignment. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, so everybody open the assignment and do the assignment. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Sir, I have
Bye,
finished
everyone.
the assignment
Bye.
and I have finished.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Bye.